Whoa! That's still his championship belt. Huge bomb from the terrorist Sultan.
I'm not believing it.
A 2 count only. I can't believe it. These fans can't believe it.
I can't believe it either. I can't believe it either, Malik. I really can't.
And the Sultan definitely cannot believe it.
Throwing the forearms to the big man's chest, a kick in the gut.
Move now off the ropes. He hits it. You're fired. Wait, that's it. Okay. Can he make the cover right now? Mook.
Well, he's dumb. He ain't gonna do it. He ain't gonna make the move. What's he doing? What's he doing?
What is he doing?
What's he doing? That's how dumb. That's how dumb people.
I know what he's doing.
He's
going.
No, he ain't gonna know. No, he can't do this.
From the top rope. He hits it.
No, you can't.
Mook hits his move once. Welcome to SOM Live. Corky McCorkle here along with Judas the Mad Hatter filling in for Chad Bartlett this week. We want to thank everyone that joined us last week for SOM Uprising. Quite a show, but today we've got a big show for him, Judas.
So tell me, this is supposed to be my punishment? I think that's all these fans' pleasure for me to be out here. But anyway, that's beside the point. You're right. We got a great card going on tonight. We'll tell them a little bit about it.
Got your guy, Chad Bartlett, my usual co-host, in the main event today, taking on Mook. And not only that, but we've got the debut of the tag team, The Resistance.
The Resistance?
The Resistance, Alex Monroe, Logan Henderson, the new tag team here at SOM that's, quite frankly, they've made it no bones about it that they're coming for those East Tennessee tag team titles.
Only if Derek Williams gives them the opportunity, which I wouldn't advise it because it ain't going to do them any good.
well as the other half of the White Claw Outlaws in action, Bronson Garrett facing the Medic today.
See, that's just my point with Derek Williams. That's your GM? I used to give you better matches when I was the GM, but I'm still the owner, so I don't reckon it really matters.
Well, we've got a lot of action coming up, and Chad Bartlett backstage preparing for his main event matchup against Mook today. And we're going to start things off with our opening match. It's tag team action and the debut of the Resistance. All right, here we go, folks. Our opening match today, tag team action and the debut of the Resistance here. I'm really looking forward to seeing how these guys gel as a unit, Judas.
They got matching PJs on. Look at that.
Yeah, they matching attire. I mean, they look like a team.
This could be Crash O'Conley's opportunity to get out of that suit today. I got a good feeling about this.
Well, Logan Henderson and Alex Monroe with a lot in common. They're both fans of Star Wars, the Marvel comic books. All right now, it's going to be Logan Henderson starting things off with Crash O'Conley, the man looking to get himself out of that chicken suit
got a hold of the hair
as soon as he gets another win here on SOM. Logan Henderson now in control with that wrist lock. Tagging to Alex Monroe.
That's exactly what's going to be their downfall, is letting the fans have what they want. It's going to be their downfall before it's over with.
But this quick tags back and forth. Logan and Alex taking out that arm of Crash O'Conley. O'Conley does the clothesline. Double back elbows from the Resistance. And these guys are looking like a team here, Judas.
I got to admit, they're looking pretty cohesive right here.
Logan Henderson right back to that arm of Crash O'Conley.
Yeah, Crash O'Connell broke.
Conley now. Whoa, tries to take Logan Henderson over with an arm drag, but Henderson hangs right on, right into that arm bar, and he's got his cinched in good.
Yeah, like I said, they're getting good. They got good cohesion right now. They're making their tags in and out legally, I must say. But I hate to say it.
Yeah, legally, what, you hate to see a legal tag? Come on. Well,
now see, that's what happens. You get too cocky. You
is that a pun?
Yeah, it was actually a pun. Yes, it was.
All right, well, Crash O'Connell choking away on Alex Monroe. Heavy chop across the chest.
I think that stung him just a little bit.
Crash O'Connell wasting a little time with the fans, and now he's right back to it. Shoulder thrust in the corner, trying to wear down Alex Monroe.
These two, they haven't been together that much long or anything like that. They're
Alex
not exactly got their tag.
Unzips the chicken
Lord
suit,
of
delivers
mercy.
a huge overhand chop to the chest of Crash O'Connell. Now Alex Monroe, big flying splash in the corner. Rolls over his opponent. The cover and a 2 count only.
Crash needs to really get out of there and make the tag. Their tag work is getting miserable. He hadn't even had a chance to get it. Now he's got a chance to get out, but there. And then look at this.
Now he's
Look
not
at
going
like
to get
that.
the chance. Logan Henderson just took out his partner. And the stunner, the Uranagi. Yes, and that's going to do it.
That's the only way they won. That was by
teamwork. Impressive teamwork from the Resistance in their debut and a big win. They're coming after those tag titles, Judas.
Well, I don't know about Alan Brody and Crash O'Connell. They've never tagged them apparently together. Obviously, it looks like to me. But they're going to have to do a better job of that. The Resistance got to show me more than that by just beating these two that's probably more interested in singles competition than they are tagging. This is the greatest thing these people will ever see in their lives. As my people come out. It's because it's family for life, as you know, Corky.
Well, here they come. The family. The East Tennessee Tag Champions, the East Tennessee Heavyweight Champion, Brian Rivers, all out here. And Bronson Garrett with that fork in his hand. All right, gentlemen, what's going on here now? Supposed to have a match with the medic here, Bronson Garrett.
Before I get this started, I bet you're wondering why I'm not wearing my jacket out here like I'm ready for a fight. I just wanted to show you guys what was voted the largest arm in Bexar County, Texas, 10 years running right
He's
there.
telling the truth about that. He's telling the truth about that one.
Well, you were voted most hated at SOM for 2019. Your team, the most hated at SOM. How does that feel?
Was voted most loved, and you're going to find out all about that at No Love Lost, because we've got a big celebration planned. But tonight, there's a retirement ceremony planned. My boy here is ready for a prize fight. So how about you add some journalistic integrity to this show, Corky, and ask him what his feelings are about it.
Yeah, I think that'd be a
Well,
good idea.
you've got Mook. You've got Mook in the main event. This is the biggest challenge you've ever had in singles competition.
The biggest challenge. The biggest joke is what it really is, because when Puke comes out here, I'm going to be the antidote. Because I'm sick to death of him. Everybody else is sick to death of that mute midget that has to do all his work with the lights off. Me, when I do mine, when I'm hanging out with all your mothers, I keep the lights on when I do my dirty work. And them lights, the spotlights, the bright lights are what Mook's going to see shining down on his face when I take him out right in the center of that ring.
Well, you heard a confident Chad Bartlett taking on Mook in the main event tonight, but right now, are you all right?
That's his name, right? That's what he went from the BTSG to.
I believe that's it.
Are you going to be able to compete with that? Are you sick?
I don't have the same stuff you have, Corky. You might want to go get a swab for that, pal.
Yeah, because Corky's a sissy. There's no cure for that.
All right, well, coming up right now, folks, Bronson Garrett going to take on the Medic. It's coming up next.
Coming back out.
Folks, I'm
Hey
just
man,
receiving
I got a
word.
man in training back there. Just don't worry about what Bronson Garrett
Bronson
does.
Garrett not going to come out here for his matchup against the Medic tonight. He's helping Chad Bartlett get well. We got the X Division champ.
What do you want?
All right.
Hey, no. See, I don't want you to talk. Jason Blythe, I'm talking to you, cabrón. Te estoy hablando a ti, puto. Tú piensas que puedes venir y agarrar mi título. You think you can come out here and blindside me and take me out? Huh? Is that what you think? You know what you can do with your little straight edge metal? You can take it and stick it straight up. Tu pinche culo, cabrón. Porque te voy a enseñar algo. Te voy a enseñar lo que es un pinche hombre, cabrón. Y vas a ver que te voy a derrotar. Y nunca me voy.
Hang on now, we've got Prince Malik out here, the manager of Devastation Inc. Prince Malik, what's going on here now? Your guy attacked Draco last week. He's ready to accept the challenge.
You want Devastation Incorporation, right? You want Jason Blythe by himself, right? Here's your problem. You need to find somebody to be in a tag match with, and here's your problem. Nobody trusts you, nobody likes you, and you can't find one. So until you can do that, there is no revenge for you.
How about it? Next week, a tag team match. Jason Blythe and the Sultan. Can you find a partner in that time?
Malik, whether or not I find a partner isn't going to matter because Devastation Inc. is going to be devastated when I kick their ass.
Like I said before, when you use words like that, that is a lazy brain expressing itself. So if you can't do any better than that, then there is nothing else. With that said, that is it!
You heard it, folks. Next week, Devastation Inc. taking on Draco and his partner if he can find one, but Draco gonna take him on 2-on-1 if he has to. That's next week on SOM Live, and stay tuned, folks. We'll be right back with our main event tonight.
I got beat down, but it's over. It's over. I went to Japan. I met a man named Miyazaki. Very weird guy, but he taught me how to chop. Well, he said that. He said, just chop him. Chop! Under a waterfall. Very weird. Miyazaki! I did it, Miyazaki! I'm winning! Yeah!
I'm Hoot. And I'm Punky. And you're watching SOM Live.
His opponent,
Here comes a man
From
who's been on
Shaolin,
the
Tennessee.
I don't understand it. I don't think anybody here understands how in the hell he's came up with a winning streak, but he has.
they call him Bruce Samuels, the Ginger Ninja.
I think today he's just bit off more than he can chew Alan Brody's going to chew him up, spit him out like the piece of trash he is. And we're off.
There's the bell, and it's on our opening bout for Winter Warfare here today. Alan Brody, the Finesse King, finds himself in a side headlock applied by the Ginger Ninja there.
Laying them forearms in that gut.
Samuel's off the
Oh.
Huge shoulder tackle from the Finesse King.
I got a feeling my name's going to be Nostradamus after this is over. I just told you how this will
Samuel's
turn out.
trying to go
look
for
at
that chop and gets taken down by Alan Brody.
I told him this little win streak's over with right here. It's going to be.
Yeah.
What?
Ginger
No
Ninja.
way!
Is it?
You
There
got me,
it is.
Chip!
Ginsu chop.
Again!
That's another
you
one.
Got to
Another
make
one.
it. Hey,
Another win for the Ginger Ninja.
I have.
Here is our winner, the Ginger Ninja, Bruce Samuels.
Well, Corky, this is what these fans want to see all day. Is
what I
Bruce
wanna
finally
see all
get his
day.
ass handed to him.
This is the main event today, folks. Chad Bartlett.
Don't worry about what I do, pal. I still own you. Don't forget that.
Chad Bartlett coming out here with the rest of the family out here. Oh, wait, are these guys? Is this official going to allow all of them to stay out?
How-
I mean, you've been banned from ringside. You're here in the commentary desk.
See?
He's got 3 other people out here with him.
See, being a general manager comes with experience, and that's something that Mr. Derek Williams does not have. His experience being GM. He got rid of me. He wanted to, so here I am, baby.
Well, they've been back there strategizing for this thing all day. Bronson Garrett skipped his matchup against the Medic today to help Chad Bartlett prepare for this. Well, let's see if it pays off. This is the biggest challenge Chad Bartlett has ever had here at SOM. As far
Family
as,
that stays together sticks together. You've heard that before.
yes, I've heard that before.
Show you the best, I gotta show you the beast. I was holding back, I just took
Here
the
he comes. Move.
See, there's always strength in numbers. There's always a lone wolf. A lone wolf doesn't stand a chance.
show you the best, I gotta show
Looks
you
always
the
ready
beast.
for a fight out here.
Holding back, I just took off the
He's
leash.
a former SOM heavyweight champion.
I'ma show you boss talk, boy, yes
I gotta
indeed.
respect him for that, Corky, but it doesn't mean I gotta like him.
Anywhere I go, I end up in the conversation.
I like that new attitude until he stuck his nose in family business.
I'm in my own lane, I don't give a f about what they saying. Boss talk, I lied at 15 just to get a job. A single mother, 2 kids, she always had it hard.
They are standing for Mook here.
I went to school to straight to work, homework, and in the mall. Say boss talk, no fool, I learned from every
I don't think Mook even cares that all the families out there. I think he'd be willing to take all these guys on at once.
Well, I'll give him that. He ain't never showed any fear toward anybody or any amount of people.
We saw him at Christmas Star Wars stack everybody on top of one another.
Yeah, like Cord would. That wasn't even funny.
And hit
I don't
that
know.
big frog splash.
Everybody thought that was funny. I'm sure you did, but I didn't think it's funny.
I don't think anybody that was in that pileup thought it was funny.
I guarantee you
either.
they didn't think it was. I didn't think it was.
Especially Brian Rivers, who was at the bottom of the pile.
Yeah, how'd that happen? That's what I'm trying to figure out. I could never understand it. Referee needs to do his job where these people can get out. That way this match can take place.
Well, yeah, we all want to see this matchup take place. Chad Bartlett, we've seen him talk trash to Mook ever since day one that Chad Bartlett stepped through the doors here at SOM. And now we're finally seeing it happen.
We're finally going to get to see what
This has
he's been
almost
telling all of us going to happen.
a year of trash talk, over a year of trash talk from Chad Bartlett directed
Well, the
at
time
Mook.
is stopping now. It's time to put actions before
Time to
words.
get up or shut up.
Chad will do that.
And there's the bell. This thing is on. And Chad Bartlett ducks the lockup
Slick.
there.
See there, he can back up that talk. See how much more he's outsmarted him already before we got started good. He talks a lot of game, but he can back a
Here
lot
we
of
go.
it up.
Now we got a lock up here. Chad Bartlett with the waist lock goes behind, and Mook.
Trying to break out of it,
He's
reverse
blocking
one or the
the
other.
he's blocking the suplex
And he
there.
breaks it.
And standing switch from Mook, and that amateur takedown.
I got to give him this. That was a good amateur move on Mook's part, even though I don't like it.
Now Mook hanging on with that front face lock. Chad Bartlett complaining of a hair pull,
his
which
beard while he's got it
did
under
not
his
happen. Mook now, big snap suplex.
Now that was obvious.
and-
He had a hold of them ties. That was obvious.
And Chad Bartlett rolls to the outside here.
Pulled
into
his
the
hair and
arms
pulled
of
his
his
tie.
loving family.
See, that's what happens. When you put me over here restrained, I can't do nothing about it except sit here and do the same thing you're doing and watch.
Chad Bartlett,
You heard him,
has
Rev.
repeatedly complained of a hair pull.
I said he
didn't-
pulled
I
his
didn't
hair
see
and
it,
his
neither
ties
did
all
the
at the same
official in
time.
this matchup.
A moot midget. That's a good thing.
Here we go now.
What's up,
Mook
baby?
taking control with the side headlock.
There we go.
Chad Bartlett. Shots to the ribs and a headlock takeover. Side mare from.
Corky's still a sissy.
You
From
think
Mook.
he's a sissy?
I'm not a sissy.
Like he said you was. I think
Chad
right
Bartlett
now, there we go.
Trying
Break
to
him.
fight his way
Chop him
out of this
down.
headlock.
Come on, Chad. Chop him down.
Bartlett shoots off Mook now. And Mook with a big forearm blast
Now, I wasn't expecting that. Good.
right into
Lord.
Chad Bartlett's jaw. Mook now off the ropes. Standing frog splash.
That-
Look at the
Come
leg.
on, Chad.
and-
Get out of there. God. The only bad part about having to sit here and watch this is I can't coach him like I need to. See, a lot of mistakes being made that I could help him with, but there's nothing I can do.
Mook now. The wrist lock. Showing off those educated feet. Mook off the ropes. Gets tripped up.
I can't
by
believe he
Bronson
tripped.
Garrett.
He just fell over. He must have tripped over that apron. I've done that before. He
You
had to
saw
trip over the
exactly what happened, Judas. It's exactly what you would have done if you were standing out there.
Have a nice trip, Mook. See you in the fall.
Guest commentary there from the real outlaw Brian Rivers. I didn't think that was funny at all.
That's closed him. That's done.
Wait a
Great
minute
job
now.
out there.
Wait,
Oh,
springboard body splash. Takes out all four of them on the outside here.
That ain't right. Oh, they just say here, mind their own
And
business.
the
He comes
fans
out
making
there
a lot of noise.
That ain't fair.
All right now. See if Mook has.
Oh, these fans think it's real
Even
funny.
up
If
the
it'd been them
numbers
getting
game
through
here
out in front of
now.
them, it would have been a different
He's
story.
taking out the rest of the family. There's those double knees. And Mook now.
Come on, Chad. There you go.
Bartlett
He's working his
right
way
back
out of
with
it.
those
There we
elbow
go.
Strikes.
What a drop kick, baby. That was from downtown.
I got to hand it to Chad Bartlett. That was a nice looking drop kick and
That was
effective as
beautiful.
well.
So close to perfection, you couldn't stand it if it was any better.
Chad Bartlett with a right hand to Mook. And another one.
Nice open hand slap. Legal every
And the
time.
referee admonishing him for using those closed fists.
That was an open hand just as well as anybody else could see it. He needs my glasses, I think. The referee needs mine.
Chad Bartlett now. Back elbow into the corner.
See, there's pure athleticism. Chad's got it going on now.
Chad Bartlett gets his whip reversed by Mook. And now,
No.
there it is, the Uranagi. Mook with the hook of the leg in.
Oh, that was so
A
close.
2 count only.
That
As
too
one half
close
of
for
the
comfort.
East Tennessee Tag Team Champions still fighting on here. Mook now off the ropes. Hits the move. You're fired.
That leg
It's
drop
just
took
business.
his socks off. Good Lord. Now see there's where Mook's making a mistake. He's out here running that mouth when he should be
Mook out
on
here
Chad, but
having words
Chad's
with
gonna get out of this.
Bronson
I know it.
Garrett.
Yeah.
Brian Rivers.
Yeah. See there? He's smart. He's real smart.
Well, he managed to save himself. Hand on the rope.
Get some breath.
Mook now stomping away. Feeding the boots to Chad Bartlett. And these fans are loving it.
Losing their minds.
Mook is beating the stuffing out of the loaded
There you
gun.
go.
And, whoa! There it is.
Ah.
He hit the driver.
Ah.
And then Bronson Garrett runs into that leg lariat. Gary O'Connell, what is she doing?
Going. Everybody's going.
Brian Rivers is
What
trying
the
to hit
world?
that lariat. Whoa!
What the heck is
360
going on here?
roundhouse kick to Brian Rivers from Mook.
And he's standing tall.
And
What
Mook
the
now.
heck going on here?
He's standing up. He's taking up all of the family here.
Everybody's stunned. And the lights, what's the lights out for again? What's going on? What? Where's it?
Well,
Where's
the
it?
lights are back.
Where's
and,
he at?
And Mook is
Where'd he
out of
go?
here.
Where in the hell did he go?
The members of the family look baffled and bewildered. What just happened? Mook just
Where'd he go?
demanded. He says it's just business, and he just took care of some business.
Just
and
business disappeared? Where'd he go?
Mook with the win by disqualification, folks. That's all for the program today.
I'm tired of
Join
this
us
disappearing
February
acting, man.
9th
It's driving me
for
nuts.
No Love
I'm
Lost
not
here
fed up
at
with
SOM.
driving me stinking
Folks,
crazy.
and join us back here next week. We'll have that main event, Devastation Inc.
Oh, he's good.
taking
Yeah.
on
Get
Draco
her hands
and
on
a
him. He's
partner
done.
of his choosing. That's all next week. So join us right
Mook
here
will be done
on
with your
SOM
hands
Live, folks.
Done.